Hey everyone, room tour here. 1371 inside cabin on deck 10. You can see me in front of you there. It's awesome. So when you come in here, you have closets and your bathroom are to your left and right respectively. Well, I'll show you that in a second. Next up, you have a little nice desk area here. It's actually a pretty big size desk, which is great. You have your TV, your mirror, two American plugs on that side, one European plug on this side, no USB there. Then obviously we have our king size bed here, which is very nice. You do have two lights on the side of the bed. I'm going to see if there's USB there. So no USB by the beds either. So if you need USB, you ain't got none. So that's it. Then you have a nice little sofa over here, which is very nice. I'll take you back and show you the closets in the bathroom. Bathroom, very, very simple. It's got one of those little sliding plastic doors. Nothing fancy going on here. And then our closet situation, pretty nice. Pretty large closet area. As you can see, you have room up top. Plenty of shelves. Plenty of room for your bags and everything. Very simple. That is it. Inside cabin number 1371 on board of the Independence of the Seas, an interior cabin on deck 10 aft.